In this video I'm going to show you how to guess the repost button on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Now you see that I already got that repost button, but if you haven't got it yet, you may do the following steps. So first hit on your profile, after that hit on three lines icon and select settings and privacy. Now there scroll down for a bit and here hit on report a problem and then hit on that icon at the top right. Now hit on icon at the top right again, and there you can describe and report your problem. You can write there that your repost option is not showing and please help me resolve that issue, and after that hit on report button and send that request to TikTok support team. And after that you just need to wait for some time, because maybe it's some problems or some issue with TikTok servers working correctly, and after that you will get your TikTok repost feature on your TikTok account. And basically that's how it works, guys, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.